Friends, we're going to see today Agile software. This software is specifically for Agilists, leaders, and managers. Those who would like to use an open source software. And this is pretty much an open source software for people who want to experiment with Agile ways of working. And software is one of the ways to support it. So I'm here logging in with existing password. Okay. I'm going to this. So this is the home page, and we are going to see a simple to-do list. So this to-do list, we can create our set of things we want to do. So we can have any number of lists, like you can have a. So for example, I'm doing the tracking with this software itself. So this Agile software itself, I'm tracking through this hierarchical to-do list. So I can actually create various levels. So, and it follows a particular schema. For example, this follows a particular schema, and if I summarize, you will see that it is following a template, and this template starts with a strategic theme, and then we can have epics under this, many epics, and then one epic can have many features, and user stories, components, features, and user stories like this. And user stories will have tasks. If you go to this project CRUD, project CRUD, I want to add a task. Okay, so create create project or add project. Okay, add project that I need to have. I need to have a view project. Okay, that's also another task. Then we can have a delete project and copy project, project homepage, and then we have details backlog page. Backlog. Each project will have a backlog. These are I'm actually adding as a task. So I mean, you can add it as a you can add it as a feature or user story also. I'm just giving different examples here. It's people can change this according to their needs. Okay, so there is no tight structure. You can create this level. You can change this task to something else also as a milestone. Likewise in this context. Okay, so you can change this to level 1, level 2, anything you want. This is just a customizable type, which I will show you later. Here in the work item types, I'm choosing a template, and this is a template which is being used. So you can define your own your own template, which the backlog can adapt. Okay, so that's one thing. Now, if you go to the, if you see this high level, you'll see all these things, how much is being created. The backlog is fully transparent, and you can see all the tasks. Now, if I go to this project task, I can select, say, I completed this, I completed this. Actually, I completed those things, okay? So I can mark this done. If I go back to this project thread, you will see this is six out of six done. Okay, so if you see the overall, you will see that items getting tracked. So you will see a bigger picture of this, and you can see more details. Okay, how much time it took. All these details you can by clicking more details you can just select. But primary information is given here, and this is how you need to see this entire page. Okay, so basically it just helps you to uh, focus on things what you need to do at a moment. So you can copy this project thread. So this is like a deep copy, and you can copy this. You can create other threads also if you want. Okay, so that is another way of doing things. But you need to rename this task also. But if you keep any generic template or template task, you can copy them and you can actually use that for various purposes. That's one way of simplifying it. Now, if you see this, if you go to the product page, you can see the product page is there. You can see view, you can see all the project details. You can copy this project If once you copy, you can rename this. You can say this is product version 1.0, something like this. And what all you want to release in this is 1.0, something like this. And we will add more things like how we will. So which template it will follow. Say I'm going to follow the backlog template, and that's it. Okay, so this is one way of getting certain things done. Now, if you see, you can delete this bulk, and you can go to this again and then restore also whatever you deleted. You can select all and then restore them, and you can permanently delete also. You can restore and then you can display how many you want. For example, like um, copy this, copy this, copy this. So I copied like five. If I display five, I can see pagination. Okay, so these are some of the features we are adding, and we can add more things here. Define. So this is a sequence: define, refine, prioritize, visualize, then plan, do, check, act. It follows a lean and agile approach that gives you more modern practices to be embedded into your tool. Okay. Thanks for this demo. See you in the next demo.